Hello, time once again for Uncle Jeff's Easy-Peasy English, and today some other uses of the preposition in. For example, have you heard the expressions in the sun, in the shade, in the dark? We sat in the shade, it was too hot to sit in the sun. Or, don't go out in the rain, wait until it stops. You can also use in for languages and currency. For example, how do you say thank you in Russian? Or, how much is £100 in euros? You can also be in love with somebody. They're very happy together. There, they are, there. They're very happy together. They're in love. You can be in a good mood or a bad mood. For example, you seem to be in a bad mood. What's the matter? And finally, in my opinion, that was a very useful lesson. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Jeff's Easy-Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.